Did you know that two royal families spent 32 years murdering each other's children in an endless cycle of revenge? This was the Wars of the Roses, England's bloodiest family feud. It started when baby Henry VI became king after his father died. Two branches of the royal family both claimed the throne. The House of York used a white rose symbol. The House of Lancaster used a red rose. The pattern was always the same. One family would win a battle and execute their enemies, but survivors would escape and spend years plotting revenge. Margaret of Anjou watched her husband lose his crown. She spent decades trying to win it back for their son. The strangest mystery happened when Richard III locked his two young nephews in the Tower of London. The princes vanished forever. Did their uncle murder them? Nobody knows. Finally, Henry Tudor ended the madness at Bosworth Field. Richard III died fighting, becoming the last English king killed in battle. Henry married Elizabeth of York, uniting both bloodlines. The white rose and red rose became one.